Hello, Brian here with Kiperts Tractors and Bad Boy Mowers here in Olympia, Washington. And I want to talk about what to do with your mower for the winter. And I've got three things we want to do. One, we want to try to keep it indoors and out of the weather. If you can't keep it indoors, if you have a shed, that would work, or put a cover on it, okay? Two is we want to treat the fuel or use non-ethanol fuel in the mower for the winter. And three is we want to make sure that our battery is staying charged. So periodically either trickle charging it or pulling it off and charging it, because having the battery sit for that length of time is not good for it either. And I'm also going to talk about what I like to do with the fuel on the mower. I like to turn the fuel petcock off and run it dry, and that is a great way to store it for the winter. Okay, so what I have here is a Maverick, Bad Boy Maverick. The fuel petcock is right here. It's got a little red lever that you pull. So it's in the on position. I'm going to turn it up like that to off, and then I'm going to go ahead and start it. The fuel petcock is off, and I'm going to run it mid-idle, mid-range, and I'm going to run this until it runs out of fuel. It'll die. And then I know that this is out of fuel in the carburetors. They're going to be fine. It's not going to gum up or anything. And then in the spring, I'm going to turn my fuel petcock on and start her up. About ready to die. And as you can see, the motor ran out of fuel. And it won't start. It'll try to start, but then it'll just die. And so all you have to do in the spring is turn your petcock back on, pull your choke up,